Hey, what up, homies? It's 2012, December 4th. 2012, December 4th. And this is just the program I typed out to use my speech sound cartridge, my Color Computer 2 speech sound cartridge of the TRS-80. And there's the TRS-80. Check it out. It's a marvel of technology, isn't it? Oh yeah. I love this stuff, man. So this is 1982 technology. And check this out. I got the original box for the speech sound cartridge. See? I can talk. Speech sound program pack available at Radio Shack. Check that out. $79.95. And this is my Tandy 64K color computer. Check this out.
Hello YouTube, it's 2012.
How cool is that? Yeah! So cool! I got the speech sound cartridge from eBay. It's extremely rare. I mean, these computers, you'd be lucky if you find them at Value Village or Goodwill or any of those thrift shops or secondhand stores. I checked every catalog in every website, and there was none available in Canada. So I finally got this. This whole thing cost me just over $200. Yeah! And this thing can talk. Check this out. Yeah! When I had this back in when my first stepdad got me this back in 1982, and I heard it talk for the first time. Oh man, I fell in love with computers that day. To see a machine talk to me, that was awesome. So this is the whole program line. It's I go list, and it's 21 lines, and then I go run, and there it is. So it's TRS-80 stands for Tandy Radio Shack, and the 80 stands for the Z80 microprocessor. It's an 8-bit computer, and as far as I'm concerned, it's the best thing ever invented. This is the iPod 5. Not a big deal. This is awesome. Totally awesome. Hell yeah. Check this out. Whoops. Whoops. Here we go. Yeah! So I just totally had to show that to you, right? So I'm running the program because back in the day when kids weren't so techno spoiled, right? Because kids totally are techno spoiled today, and so they don't really appreciate nothing. But back in the day, we had program books, right? And we had to type this shit out ourselves, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, like, to get the speech cartridge to work, you know, I had to type in all the program lines manually, right? So like from 10 to 130, and then from 140 to 210, right? And if you were lucky, you had a tape cassette like a cassette recorder. That's how this thing saved programs. You could save your programs on there, or if you had floppies, you type them out one time and save them, right? And back in the day, like Christmas time or whatever, or from the stores, you might get like a catalog, and it would have a bunch of games that you could type out and then play later. I know this is way before kids were so techno spoiled, right? Because to have fun, you had to do some work. That's just the way it was. 1980s, man. Damn. I love the 80s. Oh, I forgot, yeah. 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 So that's it, right? So here we go. And this is basically what the screen looked like. And if we refresh the screen, see, I lost all my programming just there. See, and that's what would pop up, right? The Extended Color Basic 1.1 copyright 1982 by Tandy, under license from Microsoft. That's how we rolled in the 80s. Believe it. Oh yeah.